So yeah, today we are going to work on the landing page. Yeah, on the landing page. So let's try to, put some things and see how we can make it look more nicely, right? So let's go. Let's work on the landing page. Landing page to make it sleek and more minimalistic. I will give you a prompt. Give you a prompt. Comma. Yeah, so I've typed all the prompts. Let the AI go ahead and generate most of the instructions I've given on the prompts, right? Let's go. So let's see what has come up. Okay, so you see it's so yeah. Okay, so would also include other sections like frequently asked questions, how it works. So we'll include it now. Let's go ahead. So the next thing we are going to do is to capture how it works. Yeah, how it works. That's steps, right? So yeah, I've given it this prompt. Let's see what it will come up with. So these are the prompts that I've given it. So let's see. Exactly. So you can see. So you can see how it works. Our simple yet powerful process makes creating and sending invoices and contracts effortless. Right? So this is it. See, invoice generation, contract generation. So this is how it works. This is let enter details, and customize, send or download. Yeah. So this also this one also works. Select templates, specify times, AI generation, review and sign, send for signature. Exactly. It was really captured. Yeah, so let's go. I think how it was supposed to come after our services. So let's try and put this one at the top of this, right? So that this one will be under it. Then also we'll also include frequently asked questions here, right? Yeah. Okay, let's put it, where should we position it? Okay, let's position it under this ready to streamline. Yeah. So yeah, let's add it now. Frequently asked questions. And yeah, let's try and carry this one to the up and take this one down. Yeah, so let's do it. Yeah, so as you can see, we have frequently asked question right now. So look at it. So we'll go ahead later to edit it, and I now change this words that the AI generated. So that is what we are going to do. And if you check very well, most of these generated words also align with the application also. Yeah. Okay, right now we are going to ask it to make the application fully responsive. And I don't think there's any other thing. Maybe we'll go inside the code and make some changes on some tests, right? Yeah, some tests. Okay, so let's go. Make sure then we'll now add a footer. I will add a footer. Yeah. So right now, what we're going to add is the footer section, right? The footer section. Then also we'll add why you choose us section, right? Why you choose us. So we'll add why you choose us section. Then I will add a footer section. Add the footer section, and we'll also add social links and quick links. So that's the prompt I've given the agents to work on, right? This why you choose a section, I did not really specify where it will be added, but I think it should be added. It works. Services. Okay, this one is done. It works. I think it should be added here. So yeah, previously, let me sign in. I think we almost, getting to the end of everything. Yeah. Remaining the name to get the domain name and change this. Check the sidebar is working well. Everything is working. The chatbots, right? Okay, let me put my API. So yeah, the chatbot itself is also working. What is the capital of USA, right? Exactly. Exactly. So what I want to do now, I want to add a function that would make it possible for people to upload documents through these chatbots, while the chatbots analyze it, right? So let's assume people can upload a legal document, and the chatbot will be able to analyze it or summarize it. Yeah, that is what I'll add to this chatbot right now. Yeah. Yeah, so that people can be able to upload their maybe legal documents, and the chatbot will summarize and analyze it. So yeah, so that is what I've asked the agent to do. So I'm thinking to host it, right? After this addition, I will host it. Even though I'll host it right now with a subdomain of my actual domain hosting account, right? Hosting account. So the application, it's fully responsive, right? Yeah, it's fully responsive. It's fully responsive. You can see it. It's responsive. It's fully responsive, right? Fully responsive. And everything is working. Now this prompt library, I am going to work on it. It will be an additional feature that would implement later when the application is being launched. Maybe 2.0 version of the application will come with it. Then also with dev guide or legal docs, right? So either of them will come with it, right? So but right now let's try to host it. So yeah, this is working now. We can now upload documents from the chatbot, and the chatbot will help us analyze or summarize and give insights of the clauses in the legal documents. Yeah, you can see it working perfectly. Yeah. Let's try and host it. Yeah, I'll use a subdomain of my hosting account and host it. before I get, because I want to get the domain name when I'm ready to launch it, right? So let's try and host it. Yeah, let's try and get it hosted. Okay, let's publish. Let's update. So updated. Let's try and connect the domain. Let's say use an existing domain. So you continue. So let me just I'll use subdomain, right? So let me just name it. Let me just name it what name will I give it now? Okay. So let's name it let me name it contract dot hawkmills tech.com, right? So let's continue. So it's gonna connect it to the subdomain of my domain. Okay, search my domain provider is Hostinja. So I'm gonna log in and proceed. So right now is authenticating my account. So you can see, yeah, setting up is already done, right? It's not configured. So if you go to this website, you are going to access this application. So right now, as you can see, this is the home page. The landing page instead. You can see everything is perfectly okay. Yeah, just I'll update this site. Yeah, so cool. Then sign in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in now. So I'm going to sign up now. Let's sign up. Let's sign up. Yeah, it asked me to sign up because I'm now using the domain, right? So I've hosted the application, so that's why it asked me to sign up. So I just did that. So as you can see, everything here is working. In this chatbot also okay, let me add my API key. So people can literally use their own OpenAI API key to access the application now and test it, right? So I've saved my key, and I added an upload section where you can also upload your legal documents, and the chatbot itself would will summarize and analyze it, right? So yeah, that's it's working. Create contract is working, right? My invoice, create invoice is working. So literally everything here now is working, right? You can see contracts, generate agreements, everything is working, right? So yeah, notification, light mode and dark mode, profile, can update your profile, right? So the sidebar is working. Then I would get a domain and main domain. Then so everything is working right now. And people can go ahead and start using their API to test the application itself. So yeah, yeah. So subsequent times I'm going to update maybe the other another version, right? Or any other upgrade that I would do in the application. I would be updating maybe the legal docs or the dev guide, right? So I'll include it here, right? Or maybe if we don't go ahead, maybe we are going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead to start building other applications. So I may not have time, so I may just allow this one to be running, right? So that is it. So I've hosted it, right? And everything is working perfectly right now. Yeah.